This 2025 Coachmen Nova 20RB is a Class B RV. It is located in Turlock, California, 95382 and is offered for sale by Best RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features a Cashmere fog interior, sleeps 2, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bath. This 2025 Coachmen Nova 20RB is built on a Ram Pro Master 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.